Hello, next in Grateful Dead communities. Having fun tinkering with these designs here. It's called relief sculpture. And so I'm taking 2D images and then converting them into 3D. I think the Steely turned out great. And those aren't my favorite dancing bears. These ones turned out really cool here. So this Steely is really detailed, and these dancing bears, that's what I need to go for. Here's my little shirt idea. It's kind of interesting, very abstract. I like this one, and I like this one. If I could get if I could get these bears and this steal your face, I think I'm in business. Because that's really cool looking, man. What do you guys think?